Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is social media. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is social media? Social media refers to online platforms and tools that enables users to create, share, and exchange information, ideas, and multimedia content in virtual communities and networks. These platforms allow individuals to connect with others, share their thoughts, experiences in media, and engage in conversations and interactions. Common features of social media platforms include profiles, where users can create personal or business accounts, the ability to connect with other users by sending and accepting friend or follower requests, a news feed or timeline displaying updates from connected users, the option to post text, photos, videos, and other multimedia content, and various tools for liking, commenting, and sharing content. Popular social media platforms include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, and TikTok, among others. Social media has become a significant part of modern communication, providing a platform for personal expression, connection, and information dissemination on a global scale. It has also played a role in shaping public discourse, influencing trends, and facilitating both personal and professional networking. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is social media is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you find this video useful, please click the like button, please share, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new with my channel. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.